Kaseng Trinamool Congress hinen kasngi. Kalaben yakiwe ki sengsan hima na marba kimsham lakran haka parlimen yaki jing ki bela slam bat ki bakta bha ya kejala. Haba ajing kran ha ke jing elang bat ki nong thok kubor hasilong unong yelam ka AITC Parliamentary Party ubalong ru MP ka Rajya Sabha u Derek O'Brien. Ulaong baka TMC ka dan ka thong na ka benta ka Meghalaya. Bat ka seng kalawan ra yakini ki mat jing yakran na ka benta ka jala. Haba kran shu sa pangkiru company yat ya ki jingelang ha ka sin long jingelang ka bakat du u O'Brien ula ong ba ka seng kalaya le kat bala ban kran ha parliament sa pangki jing ba ka Meghalaya ka yakendu.
Charles Bigro and Dr.
Yes, after that, compilation of
Parliament is a platform. Parliament is a platform to raise issues and keep those issues in the public domain. Otherwise, if issues, it's the same way where media also is a great pillar to amplify and keep issues in the public domain.
Ka Meghalaya states